Hi guys, Fayas this side here once again. In this 21 video, I am going to show you how you can share your Facebook ad preview to your client and how you can see the preview as well. Sometimes clients actually need how our ad look like. So that's the reason I'm just showing this short video. So let's dive into this video. To see your preview, just select your campaign and you just have to select your ad set level as well. I'm just selecting this ad set, and you can see on the ad level also we have to select that one. So I'm just selecting my two videos, and you can see on the upper side preview, right? Click that one. Here we can see our preview. So you can see here, click the share button. You can share with this link to others, and you can send notification to your Facebook ad notification on Instagram, story notification. Everything is here. You can see by your end, or you can send a notification on your Facebook. This is one way. You can see a notification has been sent to your Facebook account for Prince Fayas. So click OK, and let me open on a new tab my Facebook, and you can see we got a notification on our Facebook. Just click that bell icon notifications, and you can see here our ad is right. Okay, so let me show you the other way. Click share button and click share a link, and just copy this URL and open in a new tab. Just paste it your URL here. It was actually loading. So you can see our ad is actually loading, and that's how we can see our ad. Let me show you the original preview. So click show ad. Let me scroll it a bit down so that we can see how our ad will looks on the feed itself. So that's how you can read it this. So that's how we can see our ad, and we can share this link to others who can watch our ad, especially for the client, right? Just copy paste this URL, and client will be see their ad on their feed. So every time you can just copy this URL and share who want to see our ad. So that's how we can share our ad. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.